Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Welcome back in our online geography class. So student, today we will continue our chapter 6, major environmental problems, and today we will start its section 3, land pollution. So what is the land pollution? To know this, we will see that there are two categories of land pollution. The first one is soil pollution and the second one is solid waste pollution. First of all, we will read about the soil pollution. Soil pollution is a big challenge in rural areas. As a result of soil pollution, agricultural land becomes fertile and arable land is lost. Arable land is a land where we can grow crops. So there are various causes of soil pollution. These are waterlogging, salinity, effects of fertilizers and pesticides. First of all, we will read about the waterlogging. Waterlogging is a serious problem in the rural areas of less developed countries. These are called LDCs countries. These countries are India, Pakistan, Nigeria, etc. Where water flows through the canals throughout the year, but the canals are unlined. As a result, water seepage from the canal accumulates in the farmland, which becomes stilted and infertile. What is salinity? Salinity is the increase of salt on the ground surface, which leads to infertility of farmland. As a result of waterlogging, the salt in the soil are dissolved in water. In hot, arid regions, the water evaporates and the salt accumulates on the surface of the soil like a white blanket, leaving the soil polluted and unsuitable for cultivation. After that, we will read about the second category of land pollution. This is solid waste pollution. Any useless, unwanted, or discarded material that is not a liquid or a gas is classified as solid waste. For example, newspapers, cans, bottles, old furniture, animal manure, and food waste. As the population increases, the amount of solid waste is increasing day by day, and its collection and safe disposal has become a serious problem. This problem is common to all big cities of the world. Solid waste from a city is carried to landfill, which are situated far away from the populated areas. So we can say that landfills are generating land pollution. So disposal of some plastics and solid chemical products which cannot be disposed of safely is taken care by burning or burying them in the ground. Now we will read the impact of the land pollution. We will see that what are the impacts on our life because of land pollution. Strong pesticides are used on crops to kill pests, contaminate the soil and the produce, and these are very harmful. The fruits and vegetables we eat that have been sprayed with these are harmful to our health. Disposal of untreated toxic waste on land is very dangerous. It can cause serious damage to human and animal life and may even cause death. If it is washed into water sources like reservoirs and rivers, it can affect larger population. Heaps of rubbish collected on land spoils the environment and make it unhealthy. Many creatures live underground where landfills and rubbish heaps are created. This disrupts and endangers their lives. So, what are the measures to prevent land pollution? Paper, plastic, fabric, metal, and glass can be recycled. Crops should be grown without chemical fertilizers. Land should be left fallow to maintain the fertility of the soil. Fallow means to leave the land for some time without cultivation. Encourage the use of biodegradable products. Landfill should be created away from the populated areas. Toxic waste must never be disposed of without being treated. Rubbish should be thrown in bins only. Kitchen waste like peels from fruits and vegetation should be buried in the garden to make garden fertilizer. Now we will read is section for noise pollution. First of all, we will see that what is the difference between noise and sound. Noise is an unwanted sound. Sound is present and does not disturb anyone. Noise and sounds become pollutants when they interfere with normal activities or diminish one's quality of life in any way. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is considered to be part of air pollution because noise travels through the air. Noise pollution can affect hearing and lead to mental stress. The noise of industrial machinery, traffic, the landing and taking of aircrafts, and loud music, all of these are among the main source of noise pollution. So we can say that industrial machineries, traffic, landing and takeoff of aircrafts, and loud music is the source of loud noise pollution. Now we will see at the measuring of sound pressure with the decibel. It means that if we want to measure the pressure of the sound, we use a terminology decibel. Decibel is the unit to measure the sound pressure and its name is decibel unit. What are the impacts of noise pollution? When a person is exposed to abnormal levels of noise pollution over a period of time, his ear drums may be affected, resulting in permanent hearing loss. Noise causes stress, the mind becomes agitated and cannot relax. Noise, noise disturbs sleep. Without enough sleep, a person's capacity to work and concentrate decreases. So, what are the measures to prevent noise pollution on life? Awareness must be created among general public about the negative effects of sound pollution on humans. Industrial machines create very loud noise. Wherever possible, soundproof rooms should be constructed for noisy machines. Workers handling such machines should wear protective air muffs. Use of pressure horns should be prohibited in public transport. Motor bikes with damaged exhaust pipes and noisy trucks must be checked. Factories, airports, bus terminals, and railway stations should be located away from house and living areas. Misuse of loudspeakers must not be allowed. Trees should be planted alongside roads as they absorb sound. People should be asked to not blow the horns of their vehicles unnecessarily. Thank you.